Hello guys, this is Natalie from Texas, and today we are going to continue to share our recipes of Texas food. And today we are going to cook the best Big Mac, and let's go and see how our chef is doing and preparing stuff for cooking. Alright, here's our chef.
So today we are lighting the fire. As you can see in our grill, we have our briquettes, and we put some oak wood. You have to show inside. You have to show inside. These are oaks so that they'll catch fire, but they'll mostly smoke, which is what we want. So we get that smoky flavor in the burger.
Ooh, let's not burn the phone. Okay, now we have to wait.
Yep, now it's going to be about 12 minutes as we let that burn.
Now let's go and prepare our food.
Yep, we're going to go inside. Put the grill on top.
Here's our cat. He feels so relaxed after shower. Alright, here's our kitchen. We will start cooking, preparing our ingredients. So we're going to cook Big Mac together with rice and corn. So we need to boil corn first here in the pot, and then we'll grill it too, together with Big Mac. Okay, this is our meat, hamburger meat. Yeah, the best meat from HEB. From this meat we're going to make our slices. Patties. See, I'm still learning. So we put this meat, and then I will have to put our best Texas spices. So let's see, what spices are you using?
So we're going to use a spice called Just Right Burger Spice.
Adam's
Yep.
Reserve brand.
Yep. And then we use this, which is like an Italian bread dip, kind of like Italian spices. And then we're going to use some of the pink, where's that from?
Salt, Himalayan.
The Himalayan salt. Okay. And then up here, excuse me. We're going to use just a little bit of rosemary. Come on. Yeah, it's okay. Don't be shy. Okay. And now we're going to mix them up. With a big fat hand.
Yeah. Bare hand. Mr. Teddy's hand.
Alright, so that is done.
We need to put it in the refrigerator? Or?
Nope, we're just going to let it sit here for just a couple of minutes, and then we're going to turn it into patties, and then we'll go put it on the fire.
Okay, awesome. Cut in onions. Just a half of head of the onion.
It's a head of the lettuce.
We call it head of the onion.
Yeah, I'm sure you do.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, so that's done.
Okay.
And
Now cut the salad or?
the lettuce.
Lettuce.
Where is it?
On the table.
Okay.
Here's our lettuce.
be a little bit. Okay. Looks good enough for that. And then we just gotta wait for the fire and then start to cook.
Okay. Now check our fire. Ooh, lots of smoke. Doesn't want.
It takes 10-15 minutes to get through.
Nice weather. Anyway, this is our sunset. Today is like, now it's probably like 25 degrees. Very nice, comfortable temperature. Sunset. Really beautiful sunset. Let's go back to our cooking. Okay, we are ready to make our Big Mac.
Okay, so this is just something that I do because it's just makes things easier on me, adds a little flavor.
Just oil?
Yeah, I take the burger and put the patty. I put it in the oil and then I flip it over. So that way, when I put it onto the grill, the oil will help the meat not to stick to the grill. And that way it won't break up or chafe the burger when I'm flipping it on the grill. Because that grill's real hot and the meat is not, so it wants to have a natural...
So it's like 2 pieces for a Big Mac, 1 Big Mac.
Yeah, but we're just going to do a burger.
So not Big Mac?
Yeah, it's too complicated. Because it's a Big Mac's almost all bread. So
I guess we changed our mind and we are going to cook just burger, classical burger, and the meat is already here. Here's how it looks like. Wow, doing so good. Yeah, doing so good.
okay, keep this going.
Okay, and now we also need to put corn. All that grilled corn, so tasty. Put on top. And we're going to put our rice. A little bit by this basmati rice. Let's go check how Burger's doing. Yeah, this should be well done.
Cook here for a couple more minutes. As you can see, the corn is cooking.
Let's check later.
And we're gonna put the cheese on next.
Okay, now we're going to put buns and cheese. Okay.
Here's our wonderful industrial plastic cheese made by Exxon.
I thought Exxon is a gas station.
Exactly.
From the gas station? From the gas?
From oil.
From oil.
There's nothing in the world like industrial American gas cheese. Ever?
Just keep going. Let's poison themselves. A little bit poison. Okay.
Yeah, a little poison.
Yeah, we need to test our body to prepare for worse.
For the Antichrist.
For worse poison. Oh, that's good.
Separate them. We don't want them touching. Segregation. We'll be back in
5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. Right. Let's look at our food.
Toasted. Can't put the bun top on it or the cheese will stick to it. So let's put the cheese on. This is yours. I'll come back and get the cheese there. Leave the corn there. Okay? So we're going to go inside.
So we're using special sauce?
Yes.
What is special about it?
Well, McDonald's has its own sauce, but we're kind of making a glad I'm not a girl. I would not have been able to open that salad dressing. Okay?
It's called Thousand Island. What is it? What is it in it? Like it tastes like what? It's kind of sweet.
Okay, so this is the Thousand Islands Craft, just I mean any brand. So this is the closest thing we have in American society to the real McDonald's secret sauce. I don't know what's in the real McDonald's secret sauce, so we're just going to put this on here. It is relatively close to the same.
Kind of sweet.
Yep, it is. And so then we're going to put on a bunch of onions. And then we're going to put some pickles on it. I can get that open. I'm old. lettuce on top of that. And this is equivalently a Big Mac.
Just one layer.
Yeah. Okay. There you go.
Awesome. So now we're going to eat this burger and drink beer from Boston. My mouth is not so big.
Sugar bread? Taste?
Very good.
Very good.
Boston beer, 7-Eleven to the best.
Okay. Okay.
Texas burger, the best recipe from Chef Eric. Just let us know if you would like our burger, and maybe you'll try to cook it at home. Alright guys, see you later in my next video. Bye bye.